Hello students, hope you all are fine and safe. In the previous lecture, we studied a poem on rain. It is written by Robert Stevenson. Children, let's sing the poem together. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Children, repeat again. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Now children, this is page number 15, topic number 2, Things in my classroom. Look, say and learn. Children, we see many things in our classroom. Look at the picture and tell me which things you can see in the picture. In the picture you can see the door, window, table, projector, chair, screen, board and a computer. We can also see desk, bench, duster, chalk, chart, dustbin in the classroom. There are many things which we can see in the classroom. Look at the picture, children. This is a door. D-O-O-R, door. Repeat again. D-O-O-R, door. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Yes, children, you can see the windows also in the classroom. Repeat the spelling. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Repeat again. T-A-B-L-E, table. In some classes we have projector. P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R, projector. We can also see the chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Screen. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. Repeat again. S-C-R-E-E-N, screen. B-O-A-R-D, board. Teacher uses the board to write the notes on it. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. Children, there are some more things which we can see in the classroom are desk. D-E-S-K, desk. Desk and bench are kept for you to sit and write. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Duster. Who uses the duster? Yes, the teacher uses the duster to clear the board. D-U-S-T-E-R, duster. C-H-A-L-K, chalk. Teacher uses the chalk to write on the blackboard. C-H-A-R-T, chart. Now in your classroom you must have seen teacher displays many charts on the wall, in the classroom wall. Dustbin. We can also see a dustbin in the classroom so that we can put the trash in the dustbin and keep our class clean. Write and label the things in your classroom. Now, in your bag you can see many things which we can see in the classroom. Book, notebook, slate, slate pencil, pencil, school bag, ruler, pencil box, eraser, crayon, tiffin, water bottle are some of the things which you can carry with you in the class. Look at the picture, children. Book, B-O-O-K, book. Notebook, N-O-T-E, B-O-O-K, notebook. Notebook is used to write the notes. Slate, S-L-A-T-E, slate. Slate pencil. Using these slate pencils, we can write on the slate. This is a pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. School bag. Yes, children, we carry our books and notebooks and the other things in the school bag. Ruler, R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Pencil box, P-E-N-C-I-L-B-O-X, pencil box. We can keep our ruler, pencils, sharpener and eraser in the pencil box. This is an eraser. Using the eraser, you can clean what you have written wrong. You can clear your mistakes. These are the crayons, C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. We can use the crayons for coloring. Tiffin, T-I-F-F-I-N, tiffin. Water bottle, W-A-T-E-R-B-O-T-T-L-E, water bottle. Now children, number 3 is let's talk. Now teacher says, please give me your notebook, Seema. Seema says, here it is, madam. Teacher says, thank you. Seema says, you are welcome. B. Now Seema says, please give me a pencil, Swapnil. Seema is telling this to Swapnil. Swapnil says, here it is, Seema. Seema says, thank you. Swapnil says, welcome. Children, did you remember the magic words which we learnt in Soham's ball lesson? Yes, we should always use magic words. You can see here. Teacher and Seema, Swapnil, they are all using magic words. Please, thank you, welcome. These are the magic words. We should always use them in our conversation. Let us read this again. Teacher, please give me your notebook, Seema. Seema says, here it is, madam. Teacher says, thank you. Seema says, you are welcome. Now Seema is asking to Swapnil, please give me a pencil, Swapnil. Swapnil says, here it is, Seema. Seema says, thank you. Swapnil says, welcome.